Hello students, in this video we will discuss one very important question, class 9 SEBA uh, from social science. This question is from social science. The question is discuss the differences between the unitary form of government and federal form of government. Before we start the answer, please if you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe this channel Indra Coaching Classes, like this video, and if you have any questions regarding social science or English, please write your question in the comment box. I will try to give you the answer. The question is discuss the differences between the unitary form of government and federal form of government. In unitary form of government, there is only one government at the center. In federation, there is two-tier system of government, one government at the center and so many state governments. In unitary form of government, all the powers of the nation are concentrated in the central government, but in federation all the powers of the nations are distributed between the state government and the central government. In the next difference, in the unitary form of government there is one constitution and the whole nation has to follow that constitution, but in federation there are so many one central constitution and so many state constitution. Next difference, in unitary form of government there is provision for single citizenship for the people, and in federation people are given dual citizenship. They are the citizens of the nation and citizens of the state. In unitary form of government the constitution may be written, but in federation the constitution may, should be necessarily written, and in unitary form of government the constitution is you see flexible constitution, but in federation the constitution is rigid and flexible. It is two types of constitution. Another question may be there. Next is in unitary form of government the judiciary is not so strong, but in federation the judiciary is very strong because of separation of power. Because of separation of power, legislative, judiciary and executive are independent. They are not dependent, or there is no relation of any type of relation among them. Here then these are some differences between the unitary form of government and uh, federal form of government. I think you will like this video. You will subscribe my channel Indra Coaching Classes, uh, and if you have any queries, any question, please write. I will try to satisfy you. Thank you. Have a nice time. uh, Keep on preparing for the forthcoming examination. It is very near. Thank you.